Hey everybody, we're in the shop. Behind me is a 2012 Porsche Carrera. It's here for its Ceramic Pro annual inspection. Now about a year ago, the customer brought the car in. We did a full paint correction on this. We wrapped the entire front with paint protection film, and then we applied Ceramic Pro to it. We did what's called a silver package, and the silver package comes with glass treatment all the way around. It comes with a layer of 9H on the paint. And then 8 hours later, we apply another layer of Ceramic Pro top coat. The wheels here get coated with Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper, and any of the plastic trim like this around the mirror, there's some on the lower part, those get protected with Ceramic Pro plastic. Now you might be wondering, I've got the Ceramic Pro in my car now, why do I need to come back a year later for maintenance? First off, we want to be able to inspect the car once a year. And what this does is this allows us to make sure that you're, number one, a happy customer with the product and the product's doing what you want it to do. Number two, there's things that we see that you may not notice or you might not see. So customer brought this in, he said, hey, you know, the car looks great. I know it's really dirty right now, and believe me, this car was like super dirty when it came in. It looked like he'd driven down a dirt road. It just had mud and dust everywhere. But he said it was working great. He didn't have any issues or problems with it. But back there on that quarter panel, after I washed it, I found some spots. I found a few water spots where it possibly had been sitting under a tree and gotten wet. There was a lot of tree debris and all the vents and stuff around on this car. And then I saw a bird bomb that had gotten on the edge part of the roof there and left a stain in the ceramic coating. So I took care of those with a quick light polish. We reapplied the ceramic to those areas, and then we applied a booster that Ceramic Pro recommends that we use on a yearly basis. So we do the annual to make sure that, number one, you're happy, and number two, make sure that the Ceramic Pro is doing its job and protecting your vehicle. And everything in life needs maintenance. Your body, your house, your car, everything that we own needs some form of maintenance, and to keep your warranty intact with Ceramic Pro, and for them to honor any type of warranty that you may have, they want you to come in once a year to an authorized center like our shop here. We're Ceramic Pro San Antonio, and make sure that the coating is doing its job. And it's doing its job on this. We fixed some minor problems that the customer wasn't even aware of, and we're going to send him on his way. It costs $250 for a car this size to get this done, but when you get it back, it's like you just had it detailed. We go through the interior, wipe it all down, we reapply the ceramic to the wheels, to the glass, we do the booster on the paint, and we also do the plastic. So it's like getting the whole thing done all over again. The car feels super awesome now, and it looks really awesome. So if you're interested in Ceramic Pro or any of the other services that we offer, paint protection film, paintless dent repair, auto detailing, stain and odor removal on your interior, give us a call. We're at 2450 Babcock Road here in the Medical Center. You can check out our website at concoursaautosalon.com, or give us a call at 210-616-9669. I hope I see you soon.